Hello, and welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of manufacturing with simple machines. You might be surprised at what can be done with these fundamental tools. First, let's clarify simple machines. These are basic mechanical devices that change the direction or magnitude of force. There are six: the lever, wheel and axle, pulley, inclined plane, wedge, and screw. Each offers a mechanical advantage, making work easier. How can these become a profitable business? Identify a need and meet it efficiently. Consider these steps. First, identify a product. What problems can you solve? Think about everyday items. Design a better garden tool using a lever or pulley. Focus on custom-made items. Research market demands. Next, design and prototype. Sketch your design. Build a prototype with available materials. Test it thoroughly. Does it function? Iterate based on feedback. Then, choose your simple machines wisely. A lever can lift heavy objects. A wheel and axle can transport. Pulleys lift heavy loads. Inclined planes reduce force needed to move things. Wedges split things, and screws hold things together. Think of the mechanical advantage. After that, source your materials. Look for affordable, reliable suppliers. Consider the quality and cost. Can you source locally? Next, set up your production process. Start small. Arrange simple machines for efficiency. Ensure smooth workflow. Consider workspace ergonomics. Then, focus on quality control. Implement a system to inspect products. Fix issues to maintain satisfaction. Finally, market and sell your product. Use online platforms, social media, and local markets. Focus on the value proposition. Offer excellent customer service. Manufacturing with simple machines requires planning and execution. Start with a solid idea. Leverage simple machines, and build a successful business. Good luck!